All right, let's talk about classifying all these shapes. I'm going to first start with these three because they're like the most unique. The sphere is the most of it all, most unique of it all. It's like a tennis ball or a basketball. Most people know and recognize that. It's the Earth we live on as well. The cylinder is kind of like a Coke can. What you notice with the cylinder is you have a circle on top, a circle on bottom, and it goes straight up and down. That is a cylinder. Now a cylinder is very much like all these prisms. See all these prisms right here? These are all prisms. Do you see how this has a square on the bottom and goes straight up, kind of like a cylinder? Square prism. See the triangle? See the triangle here on the front and is pushed back? That is a triangular prism. Rectangular prism, see the rectangle on the bottom, straight up. Trapezoidal prism, see a trapezoid right here, pushed back. You have a pentagonal because you have a pentagon on top, pushed down. And a hexagonal prism because you have a hexagon pushed through. And that is what a prism is. It's basically a shape pushed through. So a cylinder is kind of like a circular prism. It's not, but it's kind of like one. So these prisms are all, and cylinder, are very, very similar. Then you have your cones. Well, a cone, most of you know from an ice cream cone, has a circle on top, all right, and it goes all to a point. Those are called cones. Now, if you look down here, we have pyramids. See these pyramids? Pyramids are very much like a cone. So we start with a circle, and we go to a point. We call it a cone instead of a circular pyramid. Well, for a triangular pyramid, we start with the triangle on the base and go to a point. Square pyramid, we start with the square, go to a point. We start with the rectangle, go to a point. Same thing, got a pentagon on the bottom, go up to a point, and a hexagonal pyramid, start at a hexagon and go up to a point, where all of them go to that tip-top point, like a pyramid in Egypt. So basically prisms and pyramids. Prisms are like cylinders, pyramids are like cones, and then sphere is its own little thing.